China's major economic indicators unveiled Monday demonstrated that the country's economic performance continued to improve in the first 2 months of the year. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, China's retail sales of consumer goods, a major indicator of the country's consumption strength, climbed 5.5% year-on-year in the first 2 months of 2024. The value-added industrial output rose 7% year-on-year during the January-February period, accelerating from a rise of 6.8% registered in December 2023. Fixed asset investment grew 4.2% year-on-year, quickening from an increase of 3% recorded in 2023.
虽然这个经济发展面临的这个环境依然是复杂严峻的，但是这个我国经济的基本面持续向好，推动经济回升向好的这个积极因素在累积增强，加上这个宏观政策的持续发力显效，那么实现5%左右的经济增长的预期目标，可以说是有条件、有支撑的，也是经过努力可以实现的。